Phoenix turn to the battle for second. As Denny Hamlin, your task is to come from nowhere to pass Keselowskki and Johnson and claim a brilliant second-place finish.
Go high. Left side's clear. Car tucked in behind you. At your door on the bottom. Do your best, man. Watch your inside. Car down low. Low side's clear. Car inside. Come on. Come on. Whoa, close call. Great save, man. Car on the bottom, one back. One on the bottom. Car approaching low. He's coming low. Go to the high side. Clear left. Car in line with you. Car inside at your door. Clear down low. Did he just do that to you? Whoa, watch the wall. Clear low. One inside. Car underneath. Clear on the left. Watch your rear. Come on, man, keep that momentum. Keep that momentum. Left side's clear. Car right behind you. Car inside, just looking. Check your outside. Okay, hunt him down. Inside. Clear left side. Car on your rear. Car outside you. We'll get him next time, buddy. Go high. Clear on the inside. Car tucked in behind you. On your bumper. up high. Clear left. Stay high. Closing on the bottom. Clear on the low side. Far inside, trying to get to your corner. Whoa, don't let her get away. Move up high, move up high. Inside's clear. Car tucked in behind you. He's still on you. High side. Nice job, buddy. Great save. Let's get back in the game. Go up top. Put her on the left. One up top. Looking inside. You the man. Nice save. Got a car low. Try to get away from that wall. Find some space. Keep. Clear left side. Car one back. Come on, buddy. Car inside, just looking. We're just a... Go high. Clear down low. Okay, behind you. Left side's clear. White is out. Final lap. Keep rolling. Clear on the high side. 3 wide, 2 low. Car on the bottom, 2 back. Car approaching high. Car outside. Set him up. That's it. Clear high. 1 inside. Inside. Move up high, move up high. Low side's clear. Car right behind you. Car 1 back. Coming on the high side. Go up high. Put it on the low side. Car at your door. Up top at your door. Coming to 1 to go. One back, coming low. He's coming on the inside. Put it on the left.